Ready to ditch those default textures and give your Minecraft world a serious visual glow-up? Today, we're diving into how to install texture packs on Minecraft Java Edition, so you can completely transform the look and feel of your game. First, you'll need to find a texture pack you love. Head over to a reputable website like CursorForge or Planet Minecraft. There are tons of options available, from realistic to cartoonish, so take your time browsing. Once you've found a texture pack that catches your eye, make sure it's compatible with your version of Minecraft Java. Then, hit that download button. The file will typically download as a zip file. Next, locate the downloaded zip file on your computer. Usually, it'll be in your downloads folder. Don't unzip it. Minecraft needs the file in its zipped format. Now, fire up your Minecraft Java Edition launcher before launching the game. Click on Options. In the Options menu, find and click on Resource Packs. This will open the Resource Pack screen. At the bottom of the Resource Pack screen, you'll see a button labeled Open Pack Folder. Click on it. This will open the folder where Minecraft stores its resource packs. Simply drag and drop the downloaded texture pack zip file into this folder. Now, head back to the Minecraft Resource Pack screen. You should see your newly added texture pack listed on the left side. Click on the texture pack icon to move it from the left side to the right side. Under Selected Resource Packs, this activates the texture pack. Click Done, and Minecraft will reload with your new texture pack active. Head into World and enjoy your freshly customized Minecraft experience.